Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to audition for EDAM, Vine, and KQ Entertainment. So this is a part of the series where I'm giving help to you guys to audition for so many different companies, so make sure you check out that playlist. If there's a company that is not included in here that you still want to audition for, you can always join Patreon. And let's start off with EDAM. At this point, guys, we all know the drill. Search up EDAM audition on Google and click the first thing, but you can also click the link in my description box. Let me just read for a while. Application period. Application accepted at any time. And then no restrictions on nationality, gender, education, or age. You can also email submission. So through this email, all you have to do is submit it. And when submitting an email, the subject of the email should be followed. EDAM audition / audition application field. So you would either write singing or acting. So this is kind of how you should format it. EDAM audition dancer, Irene, last name, and then insert your birthday. So how it'll go is you first submit your email, and then they will see your video, obviously. And then if they pass you, then you'll go to the second round, which is an offline individual audition. You'll know more about that once you pass, which I honestly don't think you should worry about that now. And then the selection of final successful candidates will be out when you have passed the second round as well. So essentially, there's only two categories that you can audition for, which is singer and actor. So for the singer one, you can choose a video of you singing one K-pop song or one pop song. And then any song you'd like. That's what it means by free song selection. Total of 2 songs. Each video is less than 10 minutes, so they honestly don't care how long it is, but I definitely do not recommend making the video like 9 minutes. That's so much, and they won't probably look at it unless you're like really good and they find potential in you. And then please avoid uploading videos with poor sound quality or that are out of focus. So the next one is profile image, your front upper body image in JPG, GIF, or PNG format, required to attach the original unretouched photos. So don't use filters, don't use Photoshop. And then optional, videos that show your specialty, such as dancing and playing musical instruments. I actually do recommend doing this. So if you are really good at singing and dancing at the same time, that's kind of what they want to see if that's your specialty. If you're good at singing and playing the guitar at the same time, I would also add that in. But along with that, I would just add a normal singing clip without any dancing, without any instruments. And then for the acting one, any free acting video. Each video is less than 10 minutes. And then same thing, essentially, they want to see front close-up image, front, left, right, upper body images, and then full body image. Total of 5 images. Same thing, no unretouched videos. And then you can also put in specialties. So let's download the application form. All you have to click and then save. We're just going to open that. So first you write the category. So you either write singer or actor. You put your name, gender, date of birth, nationality, height, weight, cell phone number, school / occupation, email, and then your address. And then attach a photo, just whatever photo you'd like. Would put a close-up photo of your face, since it is like kind of what they're looking for in one of these profile forms. And then your hobbies / talents, and then activities and awards. I've gone through this so many times in this series. I'm sure you guys are sick of it, so you can watch other videos in my series if you are struggling with finding some examples for these. And then if you are under the age of 14, then you're going to write your parents' name, contact information, and they also have to read this as well. And you're going to write the date that you're signing this, and then your name, so the date. So your name, the name of the applicant, and then you have to agree and then write your signature. So that is basically it. You attach these and then the photos and videos that they ask you to, and essentially just hand it in. Just email it to them. Pretty simple. And next we'll go to Vine. So again, I've just searched up Vine audition on Google, and we're gonna first go into the first thing there. I'm not sure if there's an English version here. Uh-oh. There isn't. Since there is no English version, I'm going to be having to translate it again. So you can audition anytime and anyone with any gender, age, or nationality, but I'm not sure why they write that only in Korean if they accept all nationalities. Anyways, you can email them or mail it to them, and then you're going to download it and then add a picture, which is your front face, your side profile, and then your entire body, and then your video, which is either vocal, dance, acting, or walking. You could also add in like a singing. So the first one is going to be the audition round. the first audition round, and you're just going to send them the email, what we're doing right now. The second one will be the judges actually judging you in real life. The third one is going to be the first camera test, and inside the company they're going to take you there and actually audition there. And then the fourth audition is the second final audition. So this is the first final audition and this is the second final audition. They have a lot of steps, especially for this company. So this is just going to be the final audition. You can actually group audition here, but you're going to have forms for each of the members. And if you don't put in any photos, any videos, or recordings of yourself, they are not going to evaluate it. If you edit your pictures or hide your face in your pictures, they're also not going to look at it. And they are going to send you an email if they saw it or not. Also, they aren't going to send you an email if you didn't pass. They're not going to share this information with anyone else, but only inside the company. So let's download the form. I have so many audition forms on my computer now. Should probably organize them. So let's see. Your position, as I already said out loud. Oh, this one's actually in English. That's so weird. I'm sure we can all read just your name in Korean or English, your sex, your birth date, your height, phone number, email, address, occupation, hobby, experience, motivation. So that essentially means why you decided to audition, what made you want to audition, your nationality. Oh my god, that was weird. Your nationality, your weight, your cellular phone number, your SNS, so Instagram, Facebook, your language, your special skills, and then the little notice which says a list of those who passed will be announced individually. Vine Entertainment reserves the right to keep copies of the audition footage it has filmed and received. So it's not like they're going to delete it if they don't want to see you anymore. They could keep it. And lastly, KQ. So guys, I've just searched up KQ Entertainment on Google and we're just going to click on that link. We're going to go to audition. I think I have to translate this again because it's only in Korean. So, KQ Entertainment is looking for idols, producers, and songwriters of different specialties and talents. Anyone around the world can audition. Download one of the forms and then email it to them. So the first round will be looking at your audition form, which is going to have your pictures as well as videos in it. So the second round will be contacting the first round winners essentially, and then doing a private audition with the judges. And then the third round will be announcing the actual people who get to train at their company. They'll give you more specific information to them individually. And what you can audition for is the singer and then the producer. So you need to have no instrumental, no music, no mic with singing or dancing, or write your own song. So they really don't want to see instrumental music. This is what I say, always in my series, right guys? And then in the producers, they want to see your own written song or a lyrics that you wrote. So they don't mind if you sang this at a karaoke or through your phone, but they ask you to avoid echoing. And also, you also need to choose a video for dancing and singing. And if there are no responses after 2 weeks, you're probably not passed this time. So let's just download that form and open it. Category, date, your name either in Korean or English, or you add both. Date of birth, sex, address, phone, email, mobile phone number, occupation, height and weight in centimeters and kilograms, hobbies, your blood type, your talents, your activities and awards, including auditions, and then your self-introduction and hopes and dreams of why you want to audition as a singer or songwriter, whatever that may be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, if you are new here, please do subscribe and watch my series if you haven't already, because there's so many opportunities that you can miss out on if you only audition for one of these companies. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!